Hello friends, today we are discussing about pen. Let's start it. What is pen? Pen. What is pen? Program, hardware, operating system, and none of these. Pen is a program. Pen is a program. Pen is a program you can draw, color, and edit picture. Pen is a program you can add, draw, color, and edit pictures. Which bar display the name of your drawing? Which bar display the name of your drawing? Toolbar, title bar, pencil tools, none of these. Title bar. See the title bar. Title bar on top of the program. This is called title bar. Title bar display the name of your drawing. In which screen component are save, undo and redo button located? In which screen component are save, undo and redo button located? Title bar, drawing area, quick access toolbar, none of these. Quick access toolbar, quick access, see the quick access on top of the left corner. See the this is a quick access tools. Quick access frequently access button or save, undo and redo. Undo means it is to reverse the last action. It is the reverse. Undo means it is to reverse the last action. Redo means it is to do the action which you have just undo you using the undo button. Which is the central place of all paint operation in window? Central place for all when joint area, ribbon, status bar, none of the ribbon. See, in this ribbon provides a central location where all commands are stored in the form of command button under various groups. See the ribbon provides a central. See the this is the ribbon. Ribbon provides a central location where all commands are stored in the form of command button. See the all are form of command and various group. This is the group. Which tool is used to draw thin free-form line on curve? Which tool used to draw thin free-form line or curve? Brush tools, line tool, pencil tool, none of these. Pencil tools. See, pencil tools is used to draw thin free-form line or curves. Which tool gives a variety of effects to a line? Effect to a line. Brush tools, line tools, eraser tools, none of them. Brush tool. See the brush tool is used to draw lines that have different appearance and texture. See the different appearance and texture. Which tool is used to erase any unwanted portion of your picture? Which tool is used to erase any unwanted portion of picture? Brush tools, line tools, eraser tool, none of them. Unwanted portion of your picture, eraser tool. See, erase it. This eraser tool used to erase any unwanted. This is the eraser tool. This is the eraser tools. Is used to erase unwanted portion of your picture. Which tool is used to fill the color into the picture? Which tool is used to fill the color into the picture? Fill with color tools, line tools, eraser tool, none of them. Fill with color tool. Fill with color tools is used to fill the entire picture or some close shape area with color. Color. Dash tool is used to type word in a picture. Which tool used for type word in a picture? Fill with color tool, line tool, text tool, none of them. Text tool. Text tool is you can add your own text message in your drawing. Say you add the on drawing text message in your drawing. Text tools. Ready-made shape are stored under which group? Ready-made shapes, image tools, none of them. Shapes. Ready-made shapes are stored in the shape group. To fill color directly from one object to another, which tools use? Fill color directly from one shape, image, color picker tools, none of them. Color picker tools. Color picker tools is used to set the current foreground and background and color by picking a color from the picture. The color picker tools directly from one object to another use these tools. The dash tool is found among the ready-made shapes, polygon, color picker tool. No. Polygon tools to make custom shape with any number of sides. Polygon tools to make custom shapes with any number of sides. Color 1 and color 2 button used for foreground and background color. Only foreground color, only background color, none of them. Color 1 and color 2 button used for foreground and back. Color 1 group is for foreground color and color 2 group is used for background color. Which tab contains zoom in and out portion? File, home, view, none of them. View. See, zoom in and zoom out. Contains in view for view tabs. The ribbon have dash tab. Ribbon have dash 2, 3, 1, none of them. Ribbon have two tabs, home and view. Home tab and view tab. There are two tabs. See the shape, line shape, curve, oval, rectangle, round rectangle, polygon, triangle, right triangle, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, arrow left right left up down arrow, stars, 4 star point, 4, 5 and 6 star point. This is called call out, rounded rectangle call out, oval call out and cloud call out, a heart and light bolt. Thank you for watching.